Many aspirants start their preparation with full energy. They study long hours, they feel confident, but after a few weeks or a few months, that energy slowly disappears. Why does this happen? Let's understand something very important. Why many aspirants lose momentum during preparation? Because once you understand this, you can avoid it early. Let me say this simply. Losing momentum is not sudden. It happens slowly, step by step. And most aspirants don't even realize it. Point 1. Starting with too much pressure. Many aspirants start very aggressively, 10 to 12 hours daily. No breaks. In the beginning, it feels good, but this is not sustainable. After some time, they feel tired and they slow down. Point 2. Lack of clear direction. Some aspirants keep studying, but they are not sure where they are going. They read different topics, watch different videos, collect different materials, but there is no clear direction. And when there is no direction, motivation slowly goes down. Point 3. Too much material. Many aspirants keep adding more and more sources. New books, new notes, new PDFs. Instead of clarity, they feel confusion. And when things feel confusing, people start losing interest. Point 4. Not seeing progress. This is one of the biggest reasons. When you work hard, but you don't see improvement, you start doubting yourself. You feel, is this even working? And slowly your effort reduces. Point 5. Comparing with others. Many aspirants keep comparing. Others are doing better. Others are ahead. This creates pressure. And instead of focusing on their work, they feel discouraged. Point 6. Break in the routine. Momentum is like a flow. Once you break it, it becomes difficult to restart. And few missed days turn into many mistakes. And slowly you feel disconnected from your preparation. Point 7. Depending on motivation. Some aspirants depend on motivation. They study only when they feel motivated. But motivation does not stay forever. It comes and goes. If your preparation depends on motivation, your momentum will also go up and down. Point 8. Ignoring weak areas. Many aspirants avoid difficult topics. They keep postponing them, but those weak areas remain in their mind. They create pressure, and slowly that pressure reduces your confidence. Point 9. Mental fatigue. Preparation is long. It takes months, even years. If you don't manage your energy properly, you feel mentally tired. And when the mind is tired, it becomes difficult to continue with the same pace. Point 10. Lack of self-reflection. Most aspirants don't stop and think, am I improving? What is going wrong? They just keep studying. Without reflection, mistakes continue. And when mistakes continue, progress stops. Now let me tell you something clearly. Losing momentum is not a big failure. It is a signal. A signal that something in your approach needs attention. If you feel that your preparation has slowed down, don't panic. Don't think that you are not capable. Just pause and observe. Start bringing back control slowly. Reduce confusion. Stay consistent. Focus on small improvements. Don't try to fix everything in one day, because momentum is not built in one day, and it is not even lost in one day either. And it is not lost in one day either. In the end, UPSC preparation is not about starting fast. It is about continuing steadily. Consistency keeps momentum alive. If this made you reflect, share it with someone who is preparing seriously.